Here's how to clean your keyboard. In general, there are two different types of keyboards, external and laptop, each of which requires its own cleaning process. Use our clickable sections below to find the cleaning process that pertains to your keyboard style. Let's start with an external keyboard. Before you get started, here's what you'll need: rubbing alcohol, cotton swabs, a clean microfiber cloth, a can of compressed air, which is great for blowing away dust in hard-to-reach areas, and a toothpick, which can scrape up embedded dirt. First, unplug your keyboard or remove the batteries. Next, turn the keyboard upside down to let any loose debris fall out naturally. If you have a can of compressed air, use it to blow loose any additional debris. Now, dampen a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol and use it to clean around the keys. The cotton swab should be wet, but not dripping. Dispose of the swab once it's picked up enough dirt. You may need more than one swab to cover the entire keyboard. Next, if you have a toothpick and see any stubborn debris, use it to carefully remove that debris now. Now apply rubbing alcohol to a cloth or towelette, again, damp, not dripping, and use it to clean the tops of the keyboard keys as well as the surrounding areas. Finally, use the dry, lint-free cloth to remove the last of the dust and polish your keyboard. Many external keyboards will also let you remove individual keys, which is great for cleaning the spaces underneath the keys. This will also let you give each key a more thorough cleaning. Check the manual for your specific keyboard to see if the keys are removable and how to remove and replace them if they are. Now, let's clean a laptop keyboard. Here are the supplies you'll want to have at your disposal: low adhesive clear tape or a cleaning slime, and disinfecting wipes. A can of compressed air is optional here, but it can be useful if you have it. First, turn off your laptop and disconnect it from any power sources. Next, flip your laptop upside down to let any loose debris fall naturally out of the keyboard. If you have a compressed air can, use it to blow loose any additional debris now. Next, if you're using clear tape, use the sticky side to collect additional debris. It's also a good idea to stick the tape under the keys and maneuver it around for a more in-depth clean. Or if you choose the cleaning slime, repeatedly press it into the spaces between the keys and lift, picking up grime as you go. Next, use the disinfecting wipes to clean the tops of the keyboard keys, using the light pressure of your palm. Remember, the goal is not to soak your keyboard with disinfectant, but rather to give it a quick once-over. So you may want to squeeze the wipes out beforehand to reduce moisture. Lastly, use a dry cloth or towelette to remove the last of the dust and give your keyboard a polish. Make sure to let the keyboard completely dry out before using your laptop again. Now your keyboard is clean and ready to get back to work.